go, Bridget!
There you go.
Come!
On Philly, Bridget. On down. There. Go.
Go!
Blue, go. Blue, go. Here, Kaylin. No.
Come on, Devin!
Let's go, Canada.
Canoed it up.
Go.
Got it, Devin!
Red time. Marty, get back in there.
Go, go, go! Go, 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 you got it! Just go back! You got it, you got it. You got a quarter cut. Quarter cut. Go, 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 go! You got it, you got it. Go. Monkey, you got it. Let's go!
Right. Yeah. It's just gotta happen, you know? It's been a long time coming.
Yeah. Tried forming an alliance with me there, but not today, so.
This is our last effort to leave and make it work. Seventh person voted out of Survivor Bird Island is Morgan.
Fuck you, Jack. No. Fuck the red tribe. Fuck you guys. All right. You already went.
That's okay.
Seems like she lost quite an idea of what card they're looking for.
Oh god, I'm sorry. I picked up two. I love passing up on the cards that I should have just grabbed earlier. I can't.
Come on, bro.
I know.
Yeah.
That one right there.
Sabotage. Where is it? There's still a spoon out there, isn't there?
My bad.
One of my cards. It's on the floor, but it's not.
Last round. And Shin's out of immunity. A 1 in 7 shot.
It's not that deep.
Common sense does not go in my garden.
Bring this with you to tribal council.
Good work.
Nick already adjusted,
Alright, Purple Tribe, how we feel? Vibes are high.
That was a crazy challenge.
That was a fun challenge.
Wow.
Good.
Wow, Garrett, wow.
Sorry about that.
I mean, I just can't believe we made it to the Merc. This is such a great part of Survivor.
Hi, Mom.
Devin, how are you feeling knowing that you have immunity and you are safe?
Hate to do it, but Tolga, you're my vote. You're a strong boy, and we can't have strong boys in this game anymore. Love you, buddy. See
Zach, you cannot be trusted, dude. You gotta go. See you later.
I'll talk to you.
I love you, man.
Not okay, Aaron. You keep that mouth shut because it's only because you're a sneaky fuck and you know it. And at the end of the day, I know you voted for me. So.
Sorry, man. Thank you for saving me last round, but better dead than red. Or better red than dead! I can do it! You know, every time, bro. Every time.
Yeah?
Too old for your.
Never mind. Alright, you going to my bed? You can give me bunny ears or something here. I'm being pulled down by an 8-year-old, but sorry, Tolga. You're still the sexiest man I know, but I need to win this.
I'm voting for Tolga because that's what my alliance is voting for, and I think he's too strong of a player to keep around for very long. I think he's really trying to play the game too much.
And she's the birthday girl.
And I'm the birthday girl, and I can vote for whoever I want, right?
Tell me why you're here.
Because I can be here.
Alright. Who are you voting for?
No one.
Who are you voting to win?
No one.
No one. If you were playing, would you win?
No.
Why?
Because I don't care.
Okay. What if you got to win $70 or $1 million?
I still don't care.
Still don't care. Money doesn't matter to you. All right.
Everybody here sucks.
Get out of here, chump.
So,
All right, Zach is playing. That is a hidden immunity idol. All cast vote for Zach will not count.
I'll down the hatch.
Oh wow, there's a lot of words on this.
There's a lot of words. All right, are we ready?
Hasn't read one yet.
Once the votes are read, the decision is final. Person voted out will be asked to leave the tribal council area immediately. I'll read the votes. 1 vote Zach, does not count. 1 vote Tolga.
Pretty good handwriting.
Zach, does not count. That's 2 votes Tolga. Zach, does not count. Zach, does not count.
Oh my god.
8th person voted out of Survivor Bird Island.
Where do I start? You know, from the beginning, you could just sense it. You could feel it. The fakeness, just consuming everybody, and they were so prepared to just backstab you. And at that point, you were just stupid if you didn't admit to it, at least realizing it. So coming down to making alliances, impossible. Didn't matter if you're on red team or blue team, because you were on your own from the beginning. In all honesty, it really came down to one thing. And that was, how sober can you stay the entire time? And the truth is, I was blacked out by like 10 o'clock. By then, I was like, all right, if I get past 12 o'clock, then nobody understands what's happening. And that was the best part. No one knew what was happening after 12 p.m. At least I did. Tolga, sober Tolga, when you get to watch this, understand this, brother. You blacked out at least 7 hours ago, and you made it this far. You should be proud of yourself. Other than that, Zach, especially fake. Bridget, the most fake. Ronnie, I take that back. Bridget, not the most fake. Ronnie is the most fake person here. Absolutely furious with her gameplay. She played all of us like a fiddle. It was absolutely spectacular. I don't know what else to say.
Who's gonna win?
Probably the birthday girl. Everyone's got too much of a soft spot for her. Fuck you, Bridget. Happy birthday.